This is my special request, so don't blame me. Thank you for raising your hand, Marty. Now everybody knows who to throw rocks at. Well, hello. My name is not Johnny Cash. That's right. I've been called many things in my day. Most of them can't be repeated in public. But I've never, ever been called Johnny Cash. And I think you're fixing to find out why. Oh, Johnny, my apologies to you. I do it because I love you. I hope you're ready for this. But I hear the train coming around the bend. Well, I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. I'm stuck in Folsom Prison. Time keeps dragging on. And the train keeps on rolling on down to San Antonio. When I was just a baby, my mama told me, son, always be a good boy, don't ever play with guns. But I shot a man in Reno just to watch him die. And I hear the train coming, I hang my head and cry. All right, fellas, come on now. Well, I bet there's a rich folk sitting back in fancy dining cars. I know they're drinking tequila, smoking big old blunts, but I guess I had it coming. I just can't be free. And the train keeps on rolling, and that's what tortures me. Oh, torture me some with those keyboard, boy. Well, if they freed me from this prison and that railroad train was mine, you know I'd take it off, move it further down the line. Far from Folsom Prison, that's where I want to stay. And I hear the train rolling on down to old S.A. Yes, I hear the train rolling on down to San Antonio. All right, Robert. Wow.